Okay, so we've just calculated a count or a number of incidents per economic zone. You might suspect that we're going to have more incidents in a larger zone. And so what we're going to do next is normalize the incidents per a consistent unit of area measure by normalizing the areas of, normalizing the counts of incidents per unit area. So we're going to take care of that in the table of the incidents per economic zone, which is the result of our spatial join. And we need to do two things. We need to set up two new fields. One, we're going to calculate area again. Here we have it in square meters, but we want to calculate it in square miles. So let's set up a new field. Let's make it a long integer just to keep the precision under control, and we'll call it area in square miles, or you can say mi2, whatever you want to do. And then we're going to add another field, and we'll call it incidence per square mile, and we'll make this one a float because it's probably going to be decimal places, and hit OK. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is recalculate the area, just to make sure that this is correct. So we're going to calculate geometry, and notice right away that we're allowed to calculate the x-coordinate or the y-coordinate, but we're not able to calculate area. So question 6, I think, in the question-answer form is why. Why is this disabled? Explain it to me. We do need to go and fix that because we need to be able to calculate area. And so to do that, we're going to go into the layer properties, which is the data frame, and we're going to change the display coordinate system to cylindrical equal area because we want to preserve area metrics. Alright, and now we're going to go back into the attribute table here and try and calculate area again. Hopefully this time we will have permission. So area square mile, calculate geometry. Area, yay! We want to use the coordinate system of the data frame using the equal area. Not in square meters, we're going to do it in square miles so that we're consistent with our header. And there we go. Okay, now our incidence per square mile is something that we want to calculate from different fields. We want to divide our count, which is like our population. We want to get kind of like we did before, population per square mile. So this divided by this. And we do that using a field calculation because we're calculating between fields. We want our incidence per square mile to equal the count divided by the area in square miles. Hit OK. And here we go. So the next question is, I believe, which 3 economic zones had the highest number of anti-shipping incidents per square mile? So after normalizing, and you want to list them in order from highest to lowest. So you have the information to do that now. You can sort this and you can answer that question. And then I will come back and work through the remaining question.